Welcome creatives! I have a beautiful deco mesh Happy New Year wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you step by step how to pull together a stunning Happy New Year's wreath for your front door. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. For today's wreath, you're going to need a 14-inch wire wreath form and some full-length pipe cleaners. We're going to be attaching our pipe cleaners to our wreath form. On every crossbar, you're going to place a pipe cleaner on the 2 bars closest to the center and one on the 2 bars closest to the outside. And then in between the crossbars, you will also place another pipe cleaner on the 2 bars on the outside. You'll repeat this pattern all the way around your wreath form. When you're done, you should have 18 pipe cleaners attached. I have all my pipe cleaners attached. I'm ready to add my mesh. I'm going to be using 1 roll of 10-inch by 10-yard black deco mesh. And this deco mesh has no metallic strips in it. I have my 10-inch by 10-yard black mesh rolled out. You want to cut the entire roll into strips at 20 inches. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. I have my roll of black mesh cut into strips at 20 inches. And now I'm going to start to prep my ribbon. I have this one, which I think is so pretty, black and white, and has just a little bit of the gold, 2.5 inches. And then I also have this one, which I think is just perfect for this wreath, with the black and the gold, very pretty, also 2.5 inches. I think this one's super pretty too. This is 1.5 inches. This is a really nice kind of thick ribbon with that black and gold. And then I also have this one at 1.5 inches, kind of a shiny black. You want to cut 9 pieces of each ribbon at 12 inches and dovetail their ends. Everything is ready to go. We're ready to start assembling our wreath. I'm going to be putting these 2 ribbon together and these 2 ribbon together. I think they complement each other wonderfully. And I'm just going to be alternating between the 2. Now we're going to be doing your standard ruffle on this wreath. So you want to lay your mesh down with the curl side facing down. You start at one of the cut ends. You want to slightly fold under that end. Grab the center and start to scrunch all the way across till you get to the other end. And then you want to fold that under. We're going to start to load from the outside. Take that and you fold the ends over themselves so it makes like a flower. And then on top of that, we're going to add our ribbon. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Trim your pipe cleaners. I leave about 1/2 inch. And then you want to push those down. And then you want to make sure that you pull your ribbon to the outside of the wreath. Just like that. Then go on to your next pipe cleaner. Just continue to alternate your ribbon bundles as you move your way around the outside of your wreath. You want to start on the outside because the bundles that you place on the inside are going to layer up on top. I have completed my outer ring, and now I've started to add my inner ring. And as you can see, this overlaps on the outside. That's why you want to do your outer ring and then your inner ring, so you get that beautiful stacked effect. But your profile is still very small. I have my base complete. I have all of my bundles in. Look at how beautiful that mixture of ribbon is. Absolutely gorgeous. So I left space here in the center to place my sign. This is the sign I'm going to be using today. It came with a jute cord, so I just removed that and put some floral wire on both sides. I just use a 26 gauge, you get 100 feet. And then to get this attached, you just feed your floral wire down through your mesh and attach it to the wire wreath form in the back. So once I get this on, I'll do a little bit of adjusting with the ribbon to kind of fill in the areas that need to once I get my sign attached. And here you go, we are all done. I have my sign on. I've adjusted all of my ribbon. And look at how beautiful all those different patterns of black and gold go perfectly with my sign. What a fantastic way to celebrate the month of January. Happy New Year, everyone. The completed wreath measures about 23 inches in diameter. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video with your friends. Thanks again for stopping by. Your visit is always appreciated. Have a great day, my friend. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.